Opportunity to contribute on this very important motion. From the onset, I wish to thank the Honorable bursaries for this motion, but Honorable Speaker, from the onset, I have certain reservations for it. Honorable Speaker, is the system broken? My answer is no. Do we have challenges in the system? Certainly we do. Can they be addressed? Can we fix it? Yes, we can. Honorable Speaker, the issue here, the elephant in the room is the issue of duplication. Whether it is offered through the presidential bursary or through the NGCDF. Honorable Speaker, the issue is there is a problem with the issue of duplication of bursary. Honorable Speaker, how do we fix? We cannot fix the broken system by consolidating the bursary to the Ministry of Education. Honorable Speaker, what we need to do as a House, this is Parliament. We make law. The best way to fix it, let us develop a system where duplication shall be avoided, so that when one student is given through the presidential bursary, then the same cannot be duplicated by NGCDF. Honorable Speaker, the other issue is this. We have to respect the Constitution in this country. Honorable Speaker, under the 4th schedule of the Constitution, pre-primary function is a function of the county government. Pre-primary is a mandate of the county government. Why should the county government in this country be allowed to give bursaries to those in secondary schools, colleges, and universities? That is the function of the national government. And for that reason, Honorable Speaker, what should be done? We should align resources, follow functions. We should align our bursary system so that bursary that is given by the county government, which is illegal and unconstitutional, let it be taken to the national government and be managed by CDF. Honorable Speaker, if there is a system that is working, and it is unfortunate that the court made a declaration declaring CDF as a nullity. And Honorable Speaker, even as you speak of CDF in this House, as a lawyer, I know that we are in the winding up period because we have been given up to 2026, unless we appeal. And of course, I don't agree with the decision of the court, although I respect, because one of the most efficient system of managing bursaries in this country is the CDF. We've never had major audit queries by the Office of the Auditor General in respect to bursaries managed by CDF. Honorable Speaker, I have read the report, the Senate PIC report on bursaries offered by the county governments. Honorable Speaker, there are serious audit issues that have been raised in respect to bursaries that are managed illegally and unconstitutionally by the county governments. Bursaries which should be managed and run by the national government through the NGCDF. Honorable Speaker, I stand to oppose the motion that intends to consolidate bursaries in this country. And I've said the system is not broken.
Order.
What we need...
Order. I'll give you a minute. Something is happening on row 3, on my right. I think it must be very interesting, but please, can you just reduce? Member for Emukordikri, with your team, please. You have 1 minute to conclude. You have 1 minute to conclude.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as I've said, I respect the Honorable Member for Nairobi, but I've said the system is not broken. The only thing we need to do is to reshape what we currently have. Let us align what we have with the Constitution. Let us do away with bursaries that are managed by the county governments, and let it be managed by the national government through the NGCDF, which of course I believe that the appeal that we shall make on NGCDF will go through, so that NGCDF is finally entrenched in the Constitution, and those bursaries that are outside.
Thank you very much. The Honorable Geoffrey Mulanya, member for Nambale.